Dear students, this is Kanza and today we are back with a video. Here in this video we are going to see the text, the depth of this lesson, a triumph of surgery. In the previous video we read about the writer, the narrator and and we just saw the introduction. Now let's get started. I was really worried about Tricky this time. So can you tell me who is I over here? I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress. And I was shocked at his appearance. So here I is the narrator. He was really worried about Tricky. When he was taking out his car, he saw Tricky with his mistress and he's saying he was shocked at his appearance. He had become hugely fat. So he's telling about Tricky that he has become hugely fat, like a bloated sausage with a leg at each corner. So he was looking just like a bloated sausage with legs at each corner. His eyes, bloodshot and rheumy, stared straight ahead and his tongue lolled from his jaws. So his tongue was coming out of his jaws, his eyes were blood red. Mrs. Pumphrey hastened to explain. He was so listless. Mr. Harriet. He seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. कह रही मुझे ऐसा लगा कि शायद इसको malnutrition हो गया है. So I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up. Some malt and cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Nothing much really. So she is telling that she used to give those many things, but in the end she says that nothing much really, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं. And did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? Now the narrator is asking that क्या आपने sweet things पे cut down करा? Oh, I did for a bit, but he seemed to be so weak. I had to relent. वो इतना weak लगने लगा कि मुझे दोबारा start करनी पड़ी. He does love cream cakes and chocolates, so वो बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं cream cakes and chocolates. So like you see, like your mother, she gives you everything whatever you like and she cannot say no. Same is the condition of Mrs. Pumphrey. She loves Tricky as a mother. So he is giving Tricky all the things. I can't bear to refuse him. She's saying I can't bear to refuse him. She cannot say no to Tricky. I looked down again at the little dog. What the narrator is saying, he's saying that he looked down again at the little dog. He was just seeing the condition. That was the trouble. उसने कहा अच्छा ये problem है. क्या problem है कि Mrs. Pumphrey जो थी, she was feeding him very badly. बहुत ज़्यादा उसे overfeed करा रही थी. Tricky's only fault was greed. ट्रिकी की ओनली फॉल्ट क्या थी कि वो ग्रीड में आ गया था, ग्रीडी हो गया था. ही हैड नेवर बीन नोन टू रिफ्यूज फूड. वो कभी भी खाने को, किसी भी चीज़ को मना नहीं करता था. ही वुड टैकल अ मीट एट एनी आवर ऑफ द डे और नाइट. And I wondered about all the things Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned. So he is saying that कि अभी जितनी चीज़ें Mrs. Pumphrey ने mention करी, I am sure that Mrs. Pumphrey, she has not mentioned all the things which she used to feed him. And are you giving him plenty of exercise? क्या बढ़िया से exercise करा रहे हो? Well, he has his little walks with me, as you can see. But Dodge King, the gardener, has been down with lumbago. Lumbago, it's a disease in which you get legs pain, joints pain, lower back pain. So he is suffering from lumbago. So there has been no ring throwing lately. So she is telling that there is no particular exercise lately? I tried to sound severe. He's saying that I tried to sound severe. Uh, Now I really mean this. If you don't cut his food right down, and give him more exercise, he's going to be really ill. You must harden your heart and keep him on a very strict diet. Mrs. Frungry wrung his hands. Oh, I will, Mr. Harriet. I'm sure you are right, but it is so difficult, so very difficult. So, it is difficult for a mother to cut down a child's meal, same as with Mrs. Pumphrey, that it is difficult for her to cut down Tricky's meal. Okay, so oh, I will, Mr. Harriet. I'm sure you are right, but it is so difficult, so very difficult. She set off head down along the road as if determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. So she was going so seriously that as if she's going to apply that seriously. I watched their progress with growing concern. So he's saying that he watched their progress with growing concern. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats for the cold weather and a raincoat for the wet days. He struggled on, dropping in his harness. I thought it wouldn't be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey. So he is continuously watching the condition of Tricky and he is saying that ज़्यादा दिन नहीं लगेंगे जब मिसेस पम्फ्री फिर आ जाएगी उसके पास में. The expected call came within a few days. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. Tricky would eat nothing, refuse even his favorite dishes, and besides, he had bouts of vomiting. He spent all his time lying on a rug, panting, didn't want to go for walks, didn't want to do anything. I had made my plans in advance. Now what is the writer saying? He's saying that कि मुझे तो पता ही था तो इसलिए मैंने पहले ही अपने plans बना लिए थे. I had made my plans in advance. The only way was to get Tricky out of the house for a period. I suggested that he be hospitalized for about a fortnight to be kept under observation. So he's saying that Tricky has to be kept under observation. The poor lady almost soon, she was sure he would pine and die if he did not see her every day. But I took a firm line. Tricky was very ill and this was the only way to save him. In fact, I thought it best to take him without delay. And he's saying that it will be best for him to take him without delay, and followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's wailing. I marched out to the car carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. So he's saying that I took the dog in the blanket. The entire staff was roused and maids rushed in and out bringing his his day bed, his night bed, favorite cushions, toys, rubber rings, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, supper bowl. So see how much they have pampered, that there are maids for him and there are different dishes for different time. There are so many things, day bed, night bed, so many things. Realizing that my car would never hold all the stuff, I started to drive away. As I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey, with a despairing cry, threw an armful of the little coats through the window. I looked in the mirror before I turned the corner of the drive. Everybody was in tears. Everybody was crying. Out on the road, I glanced down at the pathetic little animal gasping on the seat by my side. He was just gasping. I patted the head, and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. Poor old lad. So he made his great effort to wag his tail. Poor old lad. वो कह रहा बेचारा. I said, you haven't a kick in you, but I think I know a cure for you. क्या कह रहा है कि तुम्हारे अंदर बिल्कुल जान नहीं है, लेकिन शायद मुझे लगता है कि तुम्हें कैसे ठीक करना है. At the surgery, the household dogs surged around me. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes, and when put down, lay motionless on the carpet. So he was so much overfed that he was unable to even move. He was not well at all. The other dogs, after sniffing around him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. So when they reached over there, other dogs came, sniffed, okay, but then they realized that he was not interested. Then they all left him alone. I made up a bed for him in a warm, loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. For 2 days I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. So, gradually, his condition started improving. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out and was immediately engulfed by Joe, the greyhound, and his friends. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspected him, the dogs moved off down the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. So here we see that Tricky is gradually recovering. He is improving his health. We can see that the only problem was overfeeding. Rest we will do in our next video. Till then, bye bye, stay safe, stay healthy, take care.